Alright, we got another quick video for you guys. I'm going to duck down so I can stay within the camera frame. We're going to do the fusing unit today on a Kyocera 3501-5501. This is very easy. 2 screws, 1 screw for the connector cover, and 1 connector. Easy peasy. Do it quick. Probably only take about a minute or 2. So, let's go. Alright, turn it around this way. Grab your screwdriver. Open up the door. 1 screw, 1 screw, 1 connector holder, screw, and a connector. Undo the connector holder. Actually, 2 connectors. I lie. Release the connectors and release it from the holder, and then unscrew 1 screw on each side. Okay. Make sure you hold it because it could fall. And just like that, baby, it's out. Take your new one. Since I don't have a new one, slide it back in. 1 screw, 2 screws. Put the connectors back in. Bam, bam, connector cover, and you are done. Then make sure you get your instructions, you find fusing unit, reset the counter, and run any adjustments if you need to. Just like that, done data. Thank you, Kyocera. You make it easy. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye-bye.